All right, folks, Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. Most times when we're cleaning gutters, we simply scoop the debris out, we run our pressure washer, get rid of the rest of the debris, and it's able to go ahead and push out any clogs below. This one's a little bit more advanced. We've had to take apart where it comes down into there. The thing is filling up, which is a nice thing when we do our power washing or for gutter cleaning. We're running 8 gallons a minute through that. So, first or second story house, about 20-30 seconds, we're gonna know whether or not your downspout's clogged or not. This one we took off, and interestingly, you can see how much this inside fitting has been bent in so that it could fit into the next elbow. So we're gonna kind of bend that up. At some point, I'm gonna get really dirty here. So already, that gives us a nice shoot. Oh, there we go. And that's it. I'm gonna run a little bit of water through the top of this real quick. So, as you just saw, there was a second clog in there. There was more debris in there. So we got the first one. That's why we still want to flush it, so we make sure that we get everything out of there. Anyways, if you've got gutters that are overflowing, if you've got dirt and debris, you got plants growing in your gutters, shoot us a message, give us a call, 410-251-0928 or cleanpowerwash.com. Have a great day.